Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Motospectrum. Today, we're diving into a machine that redefines road presence, power, and pure elegance. This isn't just a truck, it's a legend reborn. Presenting the Kenworth W900, transformed into a jaw-dropping, fully customized motorhome in full shine black. If you love torque, chrome, and highway royalty, you're going to want to stick around for this. Now take a look at this masterpiece, drenched in a deep, glossy black finish. That looks like liquid obsidian. This motorhome commands attention at every angle. It's not just painted, it's polished to mirror perfection, coated with a high-end ceramic finish that reflects the sky, the pavement, and every drop of sunlight. This is shine at its finest. From the front, it looks like it's ready to take on the world. The chrome grille dominates the scene, massive and brilliant, flanked by LED halo headlights that slice through the dark like a blade. Above, the windshield stretches wide, giving the driver a panoramic view of the road ahead. Twin vertical exhaust stacks rise on each side of the cab, polished and proud, completing the aggressive yet regal stance. Move slightly to the front left. Angle, and the true beauty of the design unfolds. You can see the long nose cab morph into the custom motorhome body with perfect symmetry. The chrome wheels glisten, and the side mirrors extend like wings, each piece sculpted to perfection. From this view, the fusion of classic American trucking and modern luxury becomes unmistakable. The side profile is long, bold, and low. The body flows with smooth lines, free of clutter, giving the entire vehicle a stretched, aerodynamic look. Hidden compartments,